In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the first day of the week on your Fresha dashboard. This is an essential task to ensure that your scheduling system is aligned with your needs, helping you manage appointments more efficiently and plan your week with ease. Whether you're setting up the system for the first time or simply updating your preferences, these steps will guide you through the process. To start, you'll need to navigate to your Fresha dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the left side of the screen and locate the gear icon. This icon represents the settings area, which is the control center for customizing various features of your dashboard. Clicking on this gear icon will open up the settings menu where you can adjust multiple parameters. Now, you'll want to focus on finding the scheduling section within this menu. Scheduling is where you'll manage all things related to appointment bookings and calendar settings. Click on Scheduling to dive deeper into specific options. Once you're inside the scheduling section, take a look around until you find the date and time settings. You'll notice an Edit button right next to this option. Clicking this button will allow you to customize your settings further. One of the first options you'll encounter here is the choice to set the first day of your week. This is an important selection as it organizes how your schedule is viewed and can impact how you plan both your professional and personal lives. Depending on your geographical location or personal preference, you might want the week to start on a Sunday, Monday, or any other day that suits your workflow best. Simply choose the day that fits your needs by selecting it from the drop-down menu. When you have made your selection, it's crucial to save your changes. To do this, look towards the top of the page and find the Save button. Clicking this will ensure all the modifications you've made are updated and set in the system. It's always a good idea to double-check that your changes have been saved correctly to avoid any scheduling mishaps later on. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully set the first day of the week on your Fresha dashboard. Keeping your calendar organized to your liking can significantly enhance productivity and help you maintain a clear view of your upcoming commitments and appointments. If you need to revisit these settings or make changes in the future, just follow these steps again. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and here's to more efficient scheduling with your personalized Fresha dashboard.